Good morning, students. Today lesson Unit 9 Solutions. Today topic Water of crystallization Part 2. Water of crystallization of copper sulfate pentahydrate and water of crystallization of magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. The second common name and IUPAC name of some of the hydrated salts. First, copper sulfate pentahydrate. Copper sulfate formula, molecular formula CuSO4. Pentahydrate, that is 5 water molecules, so it is called pentahydrate. This is also called blue vitriol. The number of water molecules in blue vitriol is 5. So 5 water molecules. So it is 5 water molecules. So its water of crystallization is 5. What is the water of crystallization of copper sulfate? 5. When blue colored copper sulfate crystals, the color of copper sulfate crystal is blue, or gently heated, slightly heated, it loses its 5 water molecules. It loses its 5 water molecules and becomes colorless anhydrous copper sulfate. Blue colored copper sulfate crystals are slightly heated. It loses its 5 water molecules and becomes colorless anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous means without water molecules. After heating, water molecules also evaporated. This is the reaction of a heating reaction of copper sulfate, CuSO4 dot 5H2O. That is 5 water molecules are present with the copper sulfate. Copper sulfate pentahydrate, 5 water molecules, so it is called pentahydrate. That is a heating, then cooling. Heating reaction, after heating, so copper sulfate, CuSO4, this is anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous means water molecules is not present with copper sulfate. So it is called anhydrous. Anhydrous means without water molecule. So water molecules is evaporated. First, copper sulfate pentahydrate with water molecules is after heating, the water molecules easily evaporated. Copper sulfate is only formed. This is called anhydrous copper sulfate. Anhydrous means without water molecule. So this is a heating reaction. So copper sulfate is gently heated with a Bunsen burner. So that is first heat reaction. So after loss its water molecules, so blue colored copper sulfate after heating is changed into white color. The water molecules evaporated. Then after some time, after cooling or after the addition of a little amount of water molecules with the white copper sulfate, then it is converted into the old stage. Okay, this is heating reaction. This is overall reaction, copper sulfate pentahydrate, first heating, then cooling to form copper sulfate, anhydrous copper sulfate. First heating, then the water molecules are also evaporated here. So this is copper sulfate is heating before and after. Before heating, the color is blue. After heating, so it is white color. This is anhydrous copper sulfate. You see the test tube. After heating the copper sulfate, the water molecules are formed inside the test tube. Okay, water molecules easily evaporated. Okay, water molecules easily evaporated and it is formed inside the test tube. Then only after loss its water molecule, then it is converted into white color. Okay, this is a reaction, chemical reaction. The blue color of copper sulfate after heating, the water molecules evaporated. The water molecules are formed inside the test tube. If we add a few drops of water molecules or allow it to cool. So the water molecules is evaporated from copper sulfate. The old color of copper sulfate is blue color. After heating, it is converted into white color. Then add little amount of water or allow it to cool. It is converted into old stage of blue color. The colorless anhydrous salt again turns back into hydrated salt. This is the reaction. A common name of blue vitriol, that is IUPAC name, copper sulfate pentahydrate. Okay, common name. This is blue vitriol. IUPAC name, copper sulfate pentahydrate. Molecular formula CuSO4 dot 5H2O, pentahydrate. So 5 water molecules is present. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. Common name blue vitriol. IUPAC name copper sulfate pentahydrate. Molecular formula CuSO4 dot 5H2O. Second one, common name of green vitriol. Okay, common name for the substance is green vitriol. The color is green vitriol. IUPAC name means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. IUPAC name of green vitriol is iron sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta means 7. Hepta means 7. 7 water molecules is present. So that is called heptahydrate. FeInSO4 sulfate, iron sulfate, heptahydrate. Next, gypsum salt. Gypsum. Common name gypsum. IUPAC name calcium sulfate dihydrate. Di means 2. 2 water molecules is present with gypsum. Okay, calcium sulfate dihydrate. Molecular formula CaSO4 dot 2H2O. Common name gypsum. IUPAC name calcium sulfate dihydrate. Molecular formula CaSO4 dot 2H2O. IUPAC name means International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Next, common name white vitriol. Common name white vitriol. IUPAC name zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Hepta means 7. So 7 water molecules is present. This is called zinc sulfate. ZN zinc. SO4 sulfate. So zinc sulfate heptahydrate. Then Epsom salt. Epsom. IUPAC name magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Mg. Magnesium sulfate. SO4. Hepta means 7 water molecules. So 7 water molecules is present. So this is called heptahydrate. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. This magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, Epsom salt is heated. So this is second type of water of crystallization. First is already the copper sulfate is heated. It is after loss its water molecule, it is turned into white color. A blue color of copper sulfate, after heating it is changed into white color. So this is second type of reaction. Second example, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Magnesium Mg, sulfate SO4, hepta 7 water molecules, so 7H2O. This is called Epsom salt. Its water of crystallization is 7. So 7 water molecules is present. So its water of crystallization is 7, Epsom salt. And magnesium sulfate heptahydrate is also called Epsom salt. Its water of crystallization is 7. When magnesium sulfate heptahydrate crystals are gently heated, slightly heated, it loses 7 water molecules and becomes anhydrous magnesium sulfate. It is converted into anhydrous magnesium sulfate. The water of crystallization of copper sulfate and the water of crystallization of magnesium sulfate, both reactions are also important. So magnesium sulfate heptahydrate, its water of crystallization is 7. 7 water molecules. Okay, 7H2O. When magnesium sulfate heptahydrate crystals are gently heated, slightly heated, it loses 7 water molecules and becomes anhydrous magnesium sulfate. This is the reaction MgSO4 magnesium sulfate 7H2O solid form is heated to form MgSO4 and water molecules is evaporated. And this is a forward reaction, that is heating and then cooling. Magnesium sulfate is heated. Magnesium sulfate heptahydrate MgSO4.7H2O is heated. First heating and then cooling. After heating, it is converted into magnesium sulfate. Water molecules easily evaporated. And this is called anhydrous magnesium sulfate. Anhydrous means without water molecule. Water molecule is not present with magnesium sulfate. That is a magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. After heating, water molecules evaporated. Then after cooling, then it is converted into old stage. See the diagram, crystalline hydrated salt. Crystalline hydrated salt. This is amorphous anhydrous salt. Amorphous anhydrous salt. Anhydrous means without water molecules. If we add a few drops of water or allow it to cool, the colorless anhydrous salt again turns back into hydrated salt. Okay. If we add few drops of water or allow it to cool, the colorless anhydrous salt again turns back into hydrated salt. These two reactions also important. First one, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate pentahydrate. Second one, magnesium sulfate heptahydrate. Both water of reactions, water of crystallizations also important. Okay. Thank you, students.